love. Welcome to my channel, Terry Spoken to You. I have prepared my setup. It's a quick meal. You can have this meal breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's quick, it's not expensive, and it's something that you can cook this with leftover rice, eggs, and onions. So I'm going to start this breakfast with you guys. So let me get started, okay? So right now I have a bowl here. I have my knife, which you know I'm going to cut up my vegetables. I have my cutting board. I have butter. I have some onions. I'm going to wash those and cut them up. And yeah, and I have this cutting board. I want you guys to see this cutting board. Actually, I have trays in there. You see the trays right there? And these trays is here. Once you cut up your onions, you can slide it in there. Once you cut up your bell peppers, you can slide it in there. So you don't have to mix up all your vegetables while you're cutting. Let me turn it around for you guys. Or you can open it up this way, right? And it's a cutting board. And I purchased this cutting board at Walmart. I'm sure you can order it somewhere else as well, but I purchased mine at Walmart. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because I think it's really nice and I love it. As you can see, I have green onions, so I'm going to go wash them, make sure they're clean. I already washed everything. Start my skillet here to get it nice and hot so it'll be ready for my rice, okay? So let's go wash this. Okay, I'm going to remove my bowl, put it to the side. I'm going to put I washed them. They washed. I'm going to put my green onions here. So I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to cut my green onions. I'm going to open up my tray right here. I love that. It's so nice. You can cut them as fine as you like, or I like mine not too fine. So you're just going to cut your green onions up like this. And you're going to stop there. I'm going to put it in my grease pan when I cut it up. And I'm going to slide all these green onions in here. It's just a cutting board with some trays. It's not sponsored or anything like that. I just wanted to share it with you guys because I like it. I think it's really neat. Now I'm going to cut up the end part of the green onions. We're going to get all that together. Clean that up. Now this way we're going to turn on my skillet so we can get it heated before we put in our oil. You don't want to put a little bit. Just put it in my skillet. I add a little butter to mine. Again, you guys know I love flavor. That's up to me. That's up to you. You can use any kind of butter you want. You can use unsalted butter. You can use regular butter. Whichever butter you prefer. Teaspoon. Not much. Just a little bit. I'm just going to add that in there. Be careful because it can burn. See, it's already melting. As you can see. See there? I don't want it to get too hot because I don't want to burn my butter. I'm going to put my onions in there. Stir it in here, as you can see. That's just the end part of the green onion, not the whole green onion, because the other green onion is here. I'll put that in later. So I'm going to wipe this off. Clean that off. And then I'm going to take my bowl here. And I'm going to mix my eggs in there. That's one. You can use how many eggs you prefer, but you don't want to overwhelm your rice, okay? So I'm going to use probably 3 right now. Let me stir it up and see. I'm going to put one more, so I'm going to be using 4. Now, this is my first time making this. You guys didn't know, huh? I know because I'm that good. But I don't know how it's going to come out. So, let me stir up my onion because I don't want them to burn. See how they look? I don't want them to burn. I'm going to turn off my stove so it can just simmer until I get this ready. And then, I'm going to get some leftover rice I had. And you want your rice, how fluffy it is? And I'm going to show you guys what I do on my next video. Well, I don't know which video, so you just tune in because I don't know which video. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I show you guys how to prepare that fluffy rice. Okay? Like I said, it has to be fluffy because if it's not fluffy, it's not going to come out right. See how I'm mixing it up? I wish you guys can smell these onions. Onions smell so good with garlic and all that. You can put some garlic in there too. I don't have any, so I'm going to use some garlic salt, but you can put garlic in there. That'd be really nice to chop up some garlic and put it in there, because that's healthy, you know that. The rice really needs to be fluffy. You don't want no mushy fried rice. Let me show you, see? So I'm going to season it up real quick. And it's best to season it this way. Don't wait till you put it in the skillet. So I'm going to put some garlic salt in there. And you can put how much you want. I use lemon pepper. That's what I prefer. But you can just use regular pepper. Okay. Now mind you, I don't want the eggs to burn, so I'm going to be flipping them over. Because I don't want my eggs to burn. But you want the eggs to cook. You know your eggs are done, then it's done. And you can mix soy sauce or all that stuff in there. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to let it sit there for a while while I flip it over. And I have this non-stick skillets. I prefer you to use those non-stick skillets if you have one. It works really, really good. Yeah. You can eat this with salad. You can eat this whatever meat you prefer. I mean, like sausages or bacon. Bacon is really good with it. Eat mine with meat, but I say eating some sausages, some bacon, hot links, lunch, dinner, even a snack, right? It's really delicious, and it's my first time cooking it, so I don't know how it tastes, but I'm going to taste it in front of you guys, so you'll see, and I'll be honest to tell you if it's good or not. Continue to cook mine for a while, because I like for my eggs to be done. Some people don't like the eggs cook hard, and that's fine. You don't have to have this cooked fine. Don't top it up, because you don't want your rice to get mushy. Feather rice. Feather rice? Yeah, you wanted that, right? It's done now. I'm flipping it over, making sure it's all done. And yeah. So we're gonna try it out. And I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna let you guys know if it's good or not. It's starting to look good. See there? Can you see it? Yes. Look. Let me go ahead and turn off my stove. And I'm gonna, because I'm eating a little different now, you guys. I kind of eat more healthier now. I don't eat like I used to. So that's why I'm putting it in here. Because I don't want to overdo it. I'm starting to eat healthy, so I'm trying to stay with my diet. So I'm putting it in my little container here. Mashing it down. So when I put it in my plate. And like I said, you can put salad on here, grapes or whatever. But I'm going to turn it over, you guys. I'm going to put mine right there. Okay, love, I'm going to get my, prepare my food on top of here because I eat a little healthy than I used to. I changed my diet. So I'm going to take it off. There you go. Oh my God. How beautiful. Now I'm going to prepare my little, you put your little grapes. I put little grapes around mine. This is some red grapes, some black grapes, whatever y'all want to call it, purple grapes, green grapes. I'm just adding it all around because I eat healthy now. And you guys can use whatever you want. You can use a salad, whatever you prefer. This is what I prefer for now, and I will eat it with salad as well. Or anything that you prefer to eat it with. Just go ahead and eat it. So this is my breakfast. And I'm going to taste it, so I'm going to be truthful. This is my first time cooking it. Yes. This is pineapple mango juice. I have my grapes. And I have this rice, egg, rice, and onions. So I'm going to taste it for you guys. See there? Oh, nice and hot. Oh, my God. My God. This is so, so good. So delicious. It's just right. Not too salty. It's perfect. Got flavor. One of my grapes to see if it tastes good. My grapes. Oh, yeah. They give me some tangy taste and sweet as well. So I don't have to be eating no sugar. Oh, my goodness. I mean, you know, this is sweet. Grapes are sweet anyway. And it got a tangy taste as well. So I'm getting all that. Today I want to share my breakfast with you guys. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. So I'll know if I'm doing the right thing or not. It's your opinion. So I want to hear it. And yeah, hit that bell. And share. Share. Please do. So without any further ado, bye, love.